Intro?
Intro? What's that?
It's a thing normally done on YouTubes and videos and stuff like that to show that we're doing a thing.
Well, who says we're like everyone else?
I know I'm not. I know this is not like every other game.
And what is this?
This...
Oh god, we're doing an intro!
This is Power Drill Massacre. I saw a couple people play around with this last year. Have not seen literally anything since. So...
This was the first time seeing of it, period. So this should be fun.
Yeah. Apparently, since...
By fun, I mean not fun.
Let's get right into it. This is a lovely, lovely, lovely looking thing. It looks like it was rented straight from Blockbuster or Hollywood Video.
It looks like something, alright.
It definitely does. Rated NR. Oh, Lord. Let's get into it.
Puppet Combo presents. That anti-aliasing, though.
Right? See, it makes it easier to climb those mountains because you literally have stairs.
Okay, but scale dictates that those are a little bit bigger than just stairs. Okay, just
if
saying.
Stuart Little can get around with normal people's stairs, I think we could deal with those. The true horror, Stuart Little.
Lens flare. That's not how lens flares work.
J.J. Abrams be damned.
Oh.
Let's be honest, though. It's how it worked in PS1.
Jeff?
Megan. Jeff! ...
Quotation mark?
Okay, if we're gonna go that far. Megan, open quote, Jeff, ... end quote.
Do you have to click something? It's not doing anything.
Oh, yes. Are you okay? Ugh, I can't feel my legs. Megan, don't worry, Jeff. I'll go get help. Like my acting there?
Yes, it's wonderful.
Thank you.
Oscar winning.
This is the worst headache ever.
Better than DiCaprio.
But I think I'm alright. It's getting dark. Better get the flashlight out of the trunk.
Oh.
Oh, it's tank controls. I hate tank controls. Did I ever tell you that? I hate tank controls.
Don't think you mentioned it.
Nope. Yes, I want to pick it up. That sound effect was on point. And we seem to have been in a bit of a bind. Is that Jeff in there? No, that's Blood. Nope. Yeah, he's dead.
Yeah, that person looked pretty dead. I love your outfit.
Right? Let's
Such
take a look at it
on
real
point.
quick.
But we don't have time.
No time. No time.
Remember, only 15 minutes.
15. Let's see. Where should we go? Power Drill Massacre. Copyright MMXV. Vague Scenario LLC.
Ha!
The company, one of the companies one of the company names is Vague Scenario LLC. Benedito Kakuza.
Walking.
Walking. More walking.
Walking.
More walking.
VHS lines.
Yeah.
Walking.
Yep.
Walking.
You can probably stop the timer for a minute so we can skip this walking.
Nah. Nah. This is a part of the suspense, you see. We are the inner thoughts of this woman's head.
I wonder if I left the gas on at home. I hope nobody notices my super polygonal boobies. Sorry, titties.
I'd be more worried about that nose job, to be honest.
You know... Oh, I thought that was a weird face statue thing. But it's a plant. Okay. Let's see...
Can you run?
Oh shit!
Oh, ha 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 ha.
I mean, oh bleep. What a mysterious game. Let's turn off the flashlight. Preserve the non-existent battery. Let's see, do I... Ooh. That, nope. That, nope.
Run. Run. Run.
Run from your fears! Run away from those gay thoughts! Yeah, I know Jennifer looked fantastic in that one piece, but you can't think about that right now!
It's all I think about. That is all. Damn it, Jennifer! Who's Jennifer, right?
Yes.
Okay. What is happening here? What are you supposed to be doing?
Climbing up this way. Going up this very tight corridor.
That is a ridiculous plot point.
Oh, we haven't gotten to the plot point yet.
Hello, vibraphone.
And a guy on the vibraphone. Is that Jeff?
That's Jeff.
Is that Jeff?
That's Jeff.
Hi, Jeff. I'm coming to get you. I'm coming. Swiggity swooty, I'm coming for the booty. Oh, that's an impenetrable bush.
It's not what your mom said.
I'm going to say that's what Jeff is going to say last night. Or tonight. Or
yeah, good job.
whatever time frame we're in. This is mid-80s. It doesn't matter. Let's see.
Where's Jeff?
Upstairs. We gotta go inside this spooky, scary house.
What?
Door's open. Go inside. Why, yes. Let's go inside. What a creepy building. This is where the main game happens. We have to find 3 keys to open a door. And we have to avoid the power drill killer.
I hate games like these so much. This is why I won't play Outlast.
Now we will see shiny glints of light in the darkness, and those are things we can pick up and look at. Possibly a key. Oh, if I remember right, the worse the video gets, the more warning it is.
Why? I don't want to do this.
Just watch and listen for a power drill. Now go to the room behind you. Oh, nope. That camera, though. That one to the left.
Yeah?
Nope. That one right in there.
One?
I think there's a key in here. Huh. So I guess it is procedurally generated.
Oh, God. Why
God
do you
damn it.
say that?
You got this, Broseph.
No, I don't. No anything of anything can tell me I have this.
Maybe in here? There's a glint in there. I think that's a newspaper article, though.
Wait, how do I...
Space.
Okay.
Looks like an article ripped out of a newspaper. Read it?
Yes.
The search continues for 2 missing campers in the Pocono Mountains. Mason, Jer. Since June 8th, their campsite and belongings have been located, but investigators have few leads. Police say there are no visible signs of a struggle, and this continues to be a rescue mission.
Mm-hmm.
The rest is missing. Dated 1982.
5 years ago. Oh.
Yes, because it is currently 19.
You can do this.
87?
Are you sure?
2 + 5. What is this?
You didn't sound so sure there.
Nope.
Keep with the humor.
Humor?
The humor.
Aren't these graphics great?
No.
Oh, come on. Maybe Slenderman will come and help you.
Oh, God. Why?
That was the sound. Eee. Okay. Well, Door number 1. Show them what's behind door number 1, Miss Megan. Which one's door number 1? Well, we don't know. We have to have an educated guess. Perhaps our viewers would like to tell us. Number them.
God, all I hear are sounds.
Well, I mean, theoretically, that's how ears are supposed to work.
No.
Sugar tunnel.
Oh, I'm gonna get raped.
No, wouldn't that be Bubba tunnel?
That's what Bubba does. He gives you some sugar.
Come on, puppet boy. Make your daddy talk.
Is that copyright? I don't even know. No.
Nope, he's I think he's back there.
No.
Yeah, once you see that, just kind of turn around.
No.
Oh, is that a key?
No.
Yeah, it's a key.
No.
Sweet.
No.
Pick it up.
Yes.
Red paint splattered on it.
I don't think that's paint.
Oh, that was a picked up noise. See, I told you, on point. You gotta keep going, man.
Do I can just wait it out, can't I?
Well, he'll find you eventually if you do that. He's roaming the halls.
No.
That's super locked.
Wait.
That is the beginning?
What?
Yeah, keep going that way. I meant the other way, but that's fine. I think this is where you just came out of, isn't it?
No.
No, I guess not. You're going in a circle, dude.
I can't tell anymore.
Gotta admire the balls on the kids who decided to tag this entire area with a power drill wielding maniac on the loose.
He's the one who did it.
Oh, down into the basement.
Oh.
This is gonna be some fun times, dude. Scene change. Completely different area. This building is huge. This
My
map
heart is
massive.
pounding.
Yeah, I'll bet.
Which way to go?
Oh,
There's 3 directions I can choose.
straight. Keep going straight.
Okay. Oh God.
Just keep going. That's a chair. That's an ominous chair. That's a dead end. So the chair's gone.
No, I didn't go the direction of the chair.
I guess I completely missed how you turned around then. Super tight corridors here. No, go back up. Just get fuck out of here.
What was that?
What don't know.
What the hell was that?
It's gone now, so it's okay. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Don't even. I mean, yeah. Seriously. More down. Lovely. What's this way? If I were a key, where would I be?
This bitch is so fucking stupid.
So stupid.
Go ahead.
Love
This bitch should have just called AAA.
More pictures. Lovely. I don't know what that is.
That's him raping me, man.
Mind raping. Kind of like Chris Angel.
All Star would have saved your life. OnStar, bitch!
So, I think it's fair to say right about now that in the videos I did see last year, I hadn't seen anybody actually win the game.
Oh! Hold on, I'm still freaking out. I can't feel my heart in my bed. AAA, OnStar, Geico, 15 minutes could have saved your life.
Some random Mexicans down the corner, they could have just picked up the car.
Progressive, State Farm, there's options, bitch.
Power Drill definitely was not the way to go.
This is some white people and I'm out.
I think that...
Do you want to do the last 2 minutes? But I'm out.
I think that's a good place to end that, actually. Oh. See, aren't you glad I told you about this game?
No. My life is in movies, not games.
Bye, everyone. Nice.
Bye.
Nice scaring you.
Where's the stop button? I can't see through my tears.